Kid Lars, spirit of the bird. You give Kid Lars the spirit of the bird. Baby of tribulation, spirit of the bird, go through. Baby of tribulation, spirit of the bird, through. That give spirit of the bird. Spirit of the bird, go through. Baby of tribulation, spirit of the bird, go through. They all can't take the spirit of the bird. Spirit of the bird, baby of tribulation, spirit of the bird, go through. She's Monsagare. Unspirit of the bird. Future or catch the spirit of the bird. She's a girl. Okay. They all can't take the spirit of the bird. Why can't they take the spirit of the bird? Because Kid Larry ate the bird for immortal power. Didn't you, Kid Larry?